world is within reach. A better life is what we are committed to. You might have no idea where I am. I am LESSO, always with you.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 128th of this online show. In the next few days, nearby the headquarters and also our experience center, I will step outside with my colleagues and give you a first-person perspective journey. So let's get moving.
In 1986, Guangdong Shunde Shishi Plastic Hardware Plant was founded. In 1996, LESSO was founded with its trademarks registered, heralding the age of brand development. In 2001, the first production base outside South China was established in Wuhan, Hubei. In 2010, LESSO was listed on the main board of the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong Limited. In 2011, LESSO reported its annual sales exceeding RMB 10 billion. In 2012, LESSO implemented the strategy of providing a one-stop service for building materials and interior decoration. In 2015, LESSO implemented the strategic plan of environmental protection. LESSO is committed to creating a relaxing life for dwellers. With over 30 years of development, LESSO has evolved into a large corporation of building materials and interior decoration industry. By placing the whole pipeline system as its main business, it actively engages in environmental protection, consistently expands towards building materials and interior decoration, and establishes global marketing and service platforms. China LESSO. For over 30 years, LESSO has taken the pipe industry as the core and laid the most solid foundation for the building of the community persistently, starting with quality, innovation, and development. LESSO has thoroughly introduced advanced production equipment and modern production lines at home and abroad, and built a completely automatic production system. The total quantity of our production equipment has been more than 4,300 units, which guarantee the market with a full series of products, with calipers stretching from 16 mm to 2,400 mm. Our annual production capacities of plastic tubing and pipe fittings amount to 2.5 million tons. LESSO's 23 main production bases are distributed in 17 provinces across China, as well as Los Angeles in the US. Our network of production-based logistics center will be constructed in Dubai. As a result, a network of production bases, which serve as our core, will provide interconnected services across the world. To enhance our indigenous R&D abilities and align with global development, LESSO has built an international research institute, thereby ensuring product quality and innovation. with our powerful scientific research team, an R&D center and inspection center at the national level, as well as a professional molding R&D center. We boast over 650 units of sophisticated molding production equipment. Our annual production of molds exceeds 3,500 units. By virtue of powerful scientific research at the national level, LESSO has been awarded many national titles and honors, including National Recognized Enterprise Technology Center and National High-Tech Enterprise, and established postdoctoral research workstation and academician workstation, as well as a professional molding R&D center. We boast over 650 units of sophisticated molding focuses on fostering specialized talent. Our annual production of molds exceeds 3,500 units. By virtue of our special teams of installation and construction, will provide high-quality installation services and support. National Recognized Enterprise Technology Center. Our products are widely applied in home decoration and established postdoctoral civil building station and academician workstation. Prefabricated building system. Municipal construction. Gas, floor heating. Electric power and telecommunication. Firefighting, agriculture, mariculture, and other fields. LESSO marine aquaculture cages have been widely used. Meanwhile, we constantly deepen the ecological chain that is supported by pipe products, actively engage in new urbanization construction, environmental protection, and the revitalization of modern agricultural science and technology. As a subsidiary of LESSO, Guangdong LESSO Environmental Corporate Management Company Limited provides integrated professional environmental protection services. LESSO vigorously engages in municipal sewage treatment works and operation, waste gas improvement of rural environment, comprehensive river channel treatment, soil and ecoloration, comprehensive city pipeline construction, sponge city development, and other municipal projects. LESSO adheres to the brand philosophy of creating a relaxing life for dwellers by extending to the industry of building materials and interior decoration. LESSO is dedicated to enhancing the product quality of its sanitary ware products through fine manufacturing techniques, as well as bringing sanitary ware products with superior quality and taste to consumers. By focusing on household and lifestyle requirements of consumers, LESSO Integrated Home Furnishings provides a full range of housing services, such as integrated kitchen and wardrobes. Meanwhile, LESSO also operates a complete product line of building materials and interior decoration, including integrated doors and windows, decorative plates, aluminum alloy formwork, integrated heating, valves, electrical pipes, fire equipment, lighting and water. It comprehensively provides consumers with comfortable and satisfying housing services, provides integrated solutions of building materials and interior decoration. By following the strategic deployment of the Belt and Road, LESSO creates the program of LESSO Home and initiates deployment projects in key cities, establishing a global channel and service platform for LESSO in a digital age. Positioned at the forefront of industrial development, LESSO thoroughly integrates industrial resources in upstream and downstream sectors and interior connects global consumers and traders with Chinese manufacturers, provides platforms for Chinese home furnishing manufacturers to build international brand and develop business, and helps every family by following the strategic deployment of the Belt and Road. LESSO creates the program of LESSO Home and initiates talent is the first capital in LESSO. establishing an open and employee-friendly employment system in place
in a digital
to
age.
encourage our staff to try to be bold,
Positioned at the forefront of industrial
building
development,
a platform for
LESSO
them to
thoroughly
display their
integrates
personal
industrial
values.
resources and upstream and
Inclusive,
downstream materials and
pragmatic,
interior
innovative,
configuration
and determined LESSO culture closely connects every LESSO
provides
staff.
platforms for Chinese home furnishing manufacturers to build international brand and develop business, and helps everyone by following a strategic deal of the Belt and Road.
LESSO is not only committed to improving its own corporate development, but also strives to assume social responsibilities in areas as education, medical treatment, nursing and retirement, and poverty alleviation. In the future, LESSO will consistently stand at the forefront of the industry, gradually develop into a world-leading large industrial group of building materials and interior decoration, and create a relaxing life for thousands of families in China and the world. China LESSO.
Okay everyone, it's Jackson and Jackie here. Now we are standing in front of the C26 automatic mixing workshop. So why don't we get inside and show you around the workshop?
Okay, Jackie, no problem. Now we are entering our C26 automatic mixing workshop. You can see in our warehouse we have the 20 large mixing material machine. Every month we can supply over 20,000 tons to all over our factory. Yeah. So it's very strong capacity supplying material. That's it.
Okay. I got a question for you. I have seen many production bays and workshops, but large number of them have the cleaning problem. But today I have seen a very high standard cleanness level here. So why is that?
Okay, generally we can see the maximum machine is more than a lot of stuff in the air is very dirty. So you can see our workshop is very clean. Of course, daily the cleaning, but also we have a very very powerful the air circulation system. We can collect the dust in the air and the environmental protection treatment will not pollute the air. So you can see our workshop is very clean, no dust in the air.
Okay, it's really great. With a powerful feeding system, our production efficiency has been greatly improved. Then let's go to the workshop.
Okay, let's go.
In the east of the world, 5,000 years of farming civilization of long-standing and endless. Shake ancient times and shine in modern time, carry forward the cause pioneered by one's predecessors and forge ahead into the future. We used our actions to help the development of the city yesterday. We use technology to rejuvenate the countryside today. As the biggest plastic pipe enterprise in Asia, as a Chinese enterprise opening global layout, China Lesso, relying on its more than 30 years of accumulation, conforms to the development of the industry, extends the application field of pipeline products, and establishes Guangdong Lesso Tianying Facility Agricultural Technology Company Limited. From China Lesso to Lesso Tianying, it is a new connection between modern productivity and agricultural civilization. It is also the boundless integration of technology and industry. Lesso Tianying, with facility agriculture as the core, is committed to providing the whole industrial chain solution for China's modern agriculture. The world's agriculture has entered the era of industrialization, and China's agriculture has also entered the critical period of transformation and upgrading. If there is no modernization of agriculture and countryside, there will be no modernization of the country. Therefore, Guangdong Lesso Tianying Facility Agricultural Technology Company Limited, based on the 6 business sectors of facility agricultural engineering, water-saving irrigation system, cage culture, family leisure agriculture, production consumables, agricultural technology consulting, uses new wisdom, new technology, and new type to create the new future of agricultural modernization. We feel every inch of land on the ground and create growing space for crops according to local conditions. It builds green agriculture through a series of environmental protection PVC pipes without lead developed and produced independently. It uses the wisdom of modern science and technology to adjust the changes of light, air, temperature, and soil in real time, so that crops can grow better. We will continue to extend the agricultural industry chain and seamlessly connect it with people's family life. From design to maintenance, from outdoor to indoor, let leisure agriculture enter thousands of households. We make scientific and reasonable fertilization and irrigation plans for different regions, scenes, and crops, achieving precision irrigation, precision fertilization, water conservation, and efficiency. Let every resource give full play to its maximum benefit. We have created a new type of marine ecological economy, used environmentally friendly and pollution-free high polymer raw materials, and built a variety of aquaculture cages to increase production and quality of marine aquaculture. We also make full use of marine resources, integrate breeding and sightseeing platforms with recreation, expand marine space, improve the quality of marine tourism consumption, and enhance marine economic benefits. We respect the whole life cycle of agricultural development, from the selection of seedlings to the supply of consumables. Even the whole process of technical support covering design, production, construction, after-sales, management, and other links. We provide customers and partners with everything they need. Lesso Tianying is committed to providing perfect after-sales service of the whole industrial chain. Supported by the group's powerful scientific research team, we fully connect with leading agricultural technology platforms and colleges at home and abroad to realize the integration of production, learning, and research, and bring smart agricultural technology to farmers. At the same time, relying on our own professional construction team and experienced operation and management team, We will link design, production, construction, and management in a more scientific way to achieve one-stop transformation and upgrading of modern agriculture In addition, we take ourselves as a link to connect agriculture and capital for realizing the mutual promotion and symbiosis of finance and industry. LESSO Tianying will develop the whole industrial chain operation of modern agriculture with modern facility agriculture as the core. From the field to the table, from the countryside to the city, we help high-quality agricultural products go to the market and the world. We believe that today's efforts are for a better life tomorrow. On the journey of the new era, the sound of camel bells on the Silk Road still lingers in our ears. Today, the Belt and Road Initiative has also given more modern meaning to the agricultural cooperation among the countries along the Silk Road. LESSO Tianying is willing to be a tiller of this era, to promote the construction of agricultural modernization continuously, to help the rural revitalization, and to cultivate the future with wisdom.
Okay, now we are standing in front of the C22 PVC ducts workshop. So Jackson, what is the special of this workshop?
Okay, now we are in our PVC conduit workshop. You can see there's a very few workers inside because most of the work are automated by the machine, like including the automated counting, automated injection, automated detaching, automated cutting, automated detection, and so on.
Okay, that is so great. It proves the technology is the primary force of the production. Since we have high-level automatic production line, we must have a very high-level productivity. Can you explain it in detailed data?
Yes, in the headquarters workshop, we have the 400 of our overseas department are here, so it can maximum ensure our delivery, the order delivery time. For example, if we have an order of the 10 IQ container, sometimes they just need only 1 week can be finished. Yeah, if the customer can accept the Chinese domestic stock, maybe 2 or 3.
I think this is all the introduction about the C22 conduit workshop. So what is the next? Where is the next station?
Okay, we turn inside. It shows our operator of our machine. So the customer, if I am a customer, there's no worry about the quality because each pipe they can record with the operator to control the quality. So if they find some quality problem, they can come here to search the restore of the pipe.
Okay, so we are very focusing on the quality problems also. So maybe we can go to the next workshop. And also I think after your explanation, as a buyer I must gain a lot of confidence to the production for our company. Okay, after reading this workshop, please let's go to the accessories workshop too.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, see you later.
See you.
China LESSO is a large international group in the industry of home building materials. It has a complete production line for integrated doors and windows, including UPVC profile, UPVC windows and doors, aluminum windows and doors, fire resistance doors, wooden doors, and so on. The products are sold to all over the world, and at the same time, the products are widely used in various types of buildings, such as large-scale institutions and real estate developers, and each of the high-quality door and window products will be introduced to thousands of households. China LESSO introduces international advanced equipment, vigorously promotes plant machinery and equipment and supporting updates, builds a modern, automated, intelligent, and large-scale industrial system, improves efficiency, expands production capacity, and exquisite equipment ensures accurate operation of production links, achieving high standards and high-quality products manufacturing. LESSO UPVC profiles were produced by adopting Germany advanced basic equipment and high-quality mold. There are nearly 100 sets of extrusion equipment and about 1,000 profile molds with high quality here. It has introduced Battenfeld profile extrusion equipment, which can make raw materials performance more stable and make the product's quality more high grade. With an annual production capacity of about 100,000 tons, Guangdong Heshan Production Base specializes in producing American and European standard profiles and adopts modern electronic and computer control technology for online inspection of technological parameters in the whole extrusion process. At the same time, microcomputer closed-loop control system ensures the stability of process conditions and enhances product quality. Nowadays, our profiles have radiated to the north and south of China, which can timely and efficiently provide customers with high-quality products and satisfying services. Besides, American profile products are in line with the AAMA certification standards and pass the certification. LESSO production base of fireproof doors covers an area of nearly 20,000 square meters. Fireproof door series covers steel fireproof doors, wood fireproof doors, fireproof shutters, fireproof window, and steel wood fireproof door. It has nearly 100 international advanced automatic production equipment, such as computer-controlled board cutting, automatic 4-edge saw, edge banding, automatic milling machine, automatic spray coating line, turret punch press, and so on. LESSO fireproof doors possess advantages in flexibility, durability, convenience for usage and safety, along with great functions of sound insulation, heat insulation, environmental protection, etc. The production of fireproof door series strictly conform to national standards through the process from material selection, board cutting to grind testing, supported by a complete inspection process. In addition to achieving nice product design and rich style to ensure product performance and provides customers with safe products of high quality, which are in line with the national standards. LESSO production base of UPVC doors and windows covers an area of 20,000 square meters. It concentrates on the production of UPVC doors and windows with a number of domestic advanced automatic production lines, and its annual outputs are up to 200,000 square meters. UPVC doors and windows are widely used in modern buildings because of their unique advantages of portability, heat insulation, thermal insulation, energy saving, environmental protection, anti-aging, and other performance. Now, UPVC doors and windows have already become mainstream products, which span a variety of styles and satisfy the demands of different clients at the same time. There are two major production bases of LESSO aluminum alloy doors and windows in the south and north of our country, and their annual productivity is up to 600,000 square meters. For these high-quality aluminum alloy doors and windows, China LESSO selected optimized high-grade aluminum profiles, hardware and auxiliary materials, introduced international advanced production equipment, and improved the design of window structure and appearance based on climate environment and using habits so as to meet the customized needs required by customers. The production base of LESSO wooden door covers an area of 86,000 square meters with an annual production capacity of up to 600,000 sets. It focuses on producing paint doors and melamine doors, with more than 10 years' experiences in production, installation, service, and management. Development of quality and globalization. China LESSO has more than 1,000 scientific researchers in various fields and owns about 1,480 patents. With a strong scientific researching strength, China LESSO has been awarded many honorary titles and also has established postdoctoral research workstation and academician workstation. Its remarkable scientific research capabilities provide a strong support for ensuring product quality and enhancing technical innovation. With the rapid development of internationalization and globalization, China LESSO boasts more than Indonesia. China LESSO remains committed to improving its strategic layout, broadening its sales network, and expanding the market. This is how it provides products and services for customers in a timely and efficient way. In terms of service, LESSO establishes specialized teams of sales, technical service, and installation, thereby providing customers with an integrated solution of doors and windows from project design, installation, and construction to after-sales service. In the future, LESSO will constantly show the charm of Made in China to the world with its high-quality products and services.
And for all the products, only should have the PE accelerated size from the 20 mm to 603.
Okay, that is so. And I think that's all. And thank you for being us. See you next time.
See you.
Basics and tools: PVCU water supplied pipe, PVCU glue, PVCU coupling. Tape 2. Connecting step. 1. Observe whether accessories and pipes are perfect. 2. Chamfer the chamfering is half of the pipe. 3. Measure the socket depth and mark the socket end with a marking pen. 4. Clean the adhesive surface at the socket with a dry cloth. When oil is found, clean it with anhydrous alcohol or acetone. 5. Immediately apply. Do not miss. Until reach the marking in position for 20 to 30 seconds. On the bonding part within 1 hour. Basic steps for connecting PVCU gasketed pipe. Rubber gasket, tensioner, wash, lubricant. 2. Connecting step. 1. Clean and dry the inside of bell and the outside of spigot end of the pipe. Check the spigot for chamfering. First, pinch the section of the inside sealing ring and then facing outwards. 3. Measure the depth of the socket with a tape measure and mark on the spigot end. 4. Apply lubricant on the spigot end of the pipe and the surface of gasket. Lubricant prevent corrosion of seal rings. 5. Aim the pipe spigot at the socket and use a tensioner to pull the pipe straight to the marked line. PVCU glue cloth. 2. Connecting step. 1. Observe the all burrs from end of pipe with a knife edge. Chamfering is 15 to 30 degrees. The wall thick. 3. Measure the socket depth and mark the socket end with a marking pen. 4. Clean the adhesive surface at the socket with a dry cloth. When oil is found, clean it fitting socket with a medium for a distance slightly greater than the depth of the fitting socket. Do not miss. 6. While the cement is still wet, socket. Hold the pipe. 7. Wipe the excessive cement from joint after assembly. The hydrostatic pressure test should be carried out after 24 hours. Video of the PVC PVC conduit fittings. PVC conduit. Marking pen. Real ruler. 1. Examine. 2. Mark the socket depth at the end of the conduit according to the socket depth of fittings. 3. Clean the socket end with dry cloth. Make sure all joining surfaces are free from dirt. 4. Coat the inside or coat the socket end and then to another connecting end. 5. While the cement is still wet, immediately insert the pipe into the fitting with a stern in the socket to ensure an even spread of cement. Hold the pipe and fittings together firmly in position for 20 to 30 seconds. 6. Wipe the excessive cement from joint after assembly. Do not take the basic Two. The connection steps. 1. Check if the specification of the conduit matches with that of the spring. 3. Use your knees against the center bend of the pipe and apply even force to slowly bend the pipe to the desired angle than the desired angle. 4. Pull out the can be turned the spring counter of the spring become.
This is all for today's online show. Thank you for being with us. If you have any questions or requirements, please don't be hesitate to contact us or drop an email.
那你现在就是要整个生产流程，然后